Good morning, and welcome to the Artist Morning. My name's Darius, and this is a 15-minute guided morning meditation. Today's theme will be capacity. More specifically, we will explore your ability to expand your capacity. Let's begin our meditation. If your eyes are open, I invite you to close them now as we begin to go inwards together. Just beginning to notice what's alive in your inner world this morning. Any sensations, any feelings, or even thoughts that are at the surface. Bringing your attention to your breath now. Beginning to take a few deep belly breaths, easy breaths, inhaling, holding at the top, and just letting it all go. Continue breathing like that a few times on your own. Just slowing it all down. Slowing your thinking down. Taking a moment to really feel yourself in this seat this morning. Allowing each breath to bring new life, allowing each exhale to let go of anything that doesn't serve you, let go of anything that's not yours, let go. In order for something to begin, something else must end. Taking a nice deep breath now as we begin to access deeper levels of joy, of ease, and of comfort now. You don't need to seek it. It's always there. With each breath, I want you to imagine your heart space is expanding in every direction, 360 degrees. Your heart's capacity is growing. Bringing your attention to the rising and falling of your breath now. Breathing in and noticing your chest, heart, and lungs getting bigger, bigger, and bigger. As you exhale, letting go of anything that does not serve your highest good now. As you exhale, you get lighter and lighter and lighter. Breathing in, getting bigger, bigger, and bigger, taking up more space, allowing your magnificent heart to open and expand now. With each exhale, getting lighter and lighter and lighter. As you let go of old limiting beliefs, of old stories, of anything that is not in service of your greatest good, your capacity grows. If you pay careful attention, you will notice that you are getting stronger with each breath. You are getting braver with each breath. Can you feel the impact these deep breaths have on every single cell? With each breath, you are remembering how powerful you are. With each breath, you are accessing deeper levels of stability, of security, can you feel it in your cells? Can you feel the joy growing within you now? It might be subtle. It might be a low humming vibration from deep inside you. or it might be loud. If you are open and willing, there is something shifting inside you this morning. There is a power source that you have accessed. Your capacity has grown. Can you feel it? Taking another deep breath now. With each breath, your capacity grows. With each exhale, you are getting lighter and lighter. This is our last track this morning. I'm going to stay quiet for most of it and just let you feel what's here, what you've cultivated this morning. Continue taking deep breaths if it feels right. And feel the power, the strength, and the capacity that you have access to now and always. Bravo, dear artist. Bravo, dear creator. Whatever you felt, wherever you went, however far or deep you traveled, I honor and respect you for carving out some time just for you and your heart to connect this morning. As always, I'm going to put 15 minutes on the clock and invite you to do some private, personal journaling. For those of you that are joining us live, I'll put 15 minutes on the screen here. For those of you that are joining us on a replay on YouTube or Insight Timer, I invite you to do the same and just notice what is here and ready to be expressed through you. Thank you for meditating with me. My name's Darius, and we'll see you next time.